Check out our new Just for Laughs stand-up channel.
Was watching the Olympics all day today, and I am really glad they're almost over. If I have to sit through one more tragic profile of a courageous athlete.
Like, you can't have a day off when you have a girlfriend. They just, like, see that open day. They're like, oh, my God, let's go fill it up with some stuff.